Chapter 1, Applications of Matrices and Determinants. Exercise 1.1. First we have to take the concept of rank of matrix. So the definition of a rank of matrix is the rank of matrix of A is the order of the largest non-zero minor of A and is denoted by row of A. So the largest non-zero minor is known as a rank of matrix. So we have to apply 4 conditions. First one, row of A is greater than or equal to 0. Second condition, if A is the matrix of order m by n. Suppose the triangular matrix means m by n, m rows and n columns. So the formula can be taken as row of A is less than or equal to minimum of m comma n. So the rank of matrix is less than or equal to minimum of m rows and n columns. Third one, rank of a zero matrix is 0. The fourth one, the rank of a non-singular matrix of order n by n is n. So when the determinant is non-singular, which is not equal to 0. So n by n matrix means number of rows is equal to number of columns is the order is n. First we have to concentrate the sum number 1. Find the rank of matrix 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. Let us take the matrix A equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 by 2 matrix. So number of rows is equal to number of columns. So the rank can be fourth condition. The rank of a non-singular matrix of order n by n is n. So non-singular matrix is the determinant is not equal to 0. Suppose the determinant is not equal to 0, we have to obtain the rank value. So determinant of A equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. And the cross calculation method, 5 into 8, 40. 40 minus 6 into 7 is 42. 40 minus 42 is minus 2. So minus 2 is not equal to 0. So not equal to 0 means non-singular. Non-singular. So the rank of matrix is 2. So the given matrix is non-singular matrix of order n by n. So 2 by 2 means rank is 2. First sum is over. Let us move to second problem. Find the rank of matrix 1, minus 1, 3, minus 6. 1, minus 1, 3, minus 6. Let us take the matrix A equal to 1, minus 1, 3, minus 6. So you have to take the determinant A 1, minus 1, 3, minus 6, cross multiply. 1 into 6 is minus 6 plus 3. So minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So minus 3 is not equal to 0. Minus 3 is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means non-singular. So the given matrix is non-singular. So this is the 2 by 2 matrix. So the rank value is 2. So when the determinant is not equal to 0, the rank is 2. Third sum. Find the rank of matrix 1, 4, 2, 8. Solution. Determinant A equal to 1, 4, 2, 8. We have to apply the determinant value 1 into 8, 8. 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So determinant A is not equal to 0 means we have to obtain the rank value. Suppose determinant A is equal to 0 is singular. Singular means rank value is not equal to 2. Suppose surely this determinant is non-singular means we will obtain the rank value. Suppose determinant value is equal to 0 is singular, so rank value is not equal to 2. So suppose rank value is not equal to 2 means either less than or equal to 2. So 2 means less than or equal to 2 means 1, 0. So we have considered the first order minor. So suppose we have to, this is rho of A is not equal to 2. So we have to take the first order minor, any one of the minor for this determinant. So 1, 4, 2, 8. 1 is the one minor, 4 is the another minor, 2 is the another minor, 8 is the another minor. So we have to consider only one minor. So 1. 1 is strictly not equal to 0. So rank value is 1. Okay. So first this one is non-singular means suppose that this problem is non-singular means rank value is 2. So singular means this is not equal to 2. So we have to consider one of the minor for this determinant which is not equal to 0. Rank value is 1. Next sum. Find the rank of matrix 2 minus 1 1 3 1 minus 5 1 1 1. Let us take the determinant, say matrix A equal to 2 minus 1 1 3 1 minus 5 1 1 1. So this is the 3 by 3 matrix. First we have to find out the determinant value 2 minus 1 1 3 1 minus 5 1 1 1. The cross multiplication 2 into 1 plus 5 again minus 1 into 3 plus 5 again plus 1 into 3 minus 1. 2 into 1 plus 5 is 6, 1 into 3 plus 5 is 8, 1 into 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 into 6, 12, 1 into 8, 8 and 1 into 2, 2. Total value is 22. 22 is strictly not equal to 0. So this is non-singular. This is non-singular. So the rank value is 3. The rank value is 3. Rho of A equal to 3. This is the rank value for this problem. Sum number 5. Find the rank of matrix minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 4, minus 2, 4, minus 4. The given matrix A equal to minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 4, minus 2, 4, minus 4. First we have to compute the determinant. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. So consider determinant minus 1 into minus plus 12 minus 16, minus 2 into minus 16 plus 8 and minus 2 into 16 minus 6. So minus 1 into 12 minus 16 is minus 4, minus 2 into minus 6 plus 8 is minus 8, minus 2 into 16 minus 6 is 10. So minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 is plus 4 and minus 2 into minus 8 is plus 16, minus 2 into 10 is minus 20. So plus 20 minus 20 equal to 0. Suppose the determinant is equal to 0, this one is a singular. So when the rank value is not equal to 3. So in this situation we have to consider the second order minor. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. So we have to consider the second order minor. Second order minor is minus 1, 2, 4, minus 3. You have to consider any one of the minor. So minus 1, 2, 4, minus 3. We have to apply the cross multiplication. Minus plus 3, minus 8, which is minus 5 is not equal to 0. Minus 5 is not equal to 0 is non-singular. So the rank value is 2. Sum number 6. Find the rank of matrix 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, minus 2, 3, 6, 3, minus 7. So let us take the given matrix is 3 by 4 matrix. So 3 rows and 4 columns. So 3 by 4 matrix means we have to apply the formula rho of A is less than or equal to minimum of m comma n. M means row, n means column. So minimum of 3 rows and 4 columns. So minimum of 3 by 3 and 4 is, which one is minimum? 3 is a minimum. So our aim is the rank value is strictly less than or equal to 3. So our rank value is strictly less than or equal to 3. Suppose the rank value is 3 or less than 3 means 2, 1. Okay. First we have to take the 3 by 4 matrix, 3 rows and 4 columns. We have to apply the elementary transformation. We have to compute the problem. So we have to suppose 2 by 2 is no problem, straight away applying the determinant. 3 by 3 is no problem, straight away applying the determinant. But 3 by 4 is given, rectangular matrix is given. We have to apply the elementary transformation. So our aim is these three values are become, try to make it as these three values are become 0. So 0, 0, 0. So try to make it as this one is become 0. So this is the upper triangular matrix. We have to form the upper triangular matrix. This problem will complete. So first we have to take this term is, try to make it as this term is become 0. 2 is 2 in the place of 2 we have to make 0. So second row is compared with first row, this term is become 0. So we have to apply the property only for row wise. R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. So R2 tends to R2, this is R2, R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. So calculation is 2 is here R2. So 2 minus 2 R1. R1 value is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. This value is 0. Again R2 minus 2 R1. R2 value is 4 minus 2 R1 value is 2. 4 minus 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Again R2 minus 2 R1. 1 minus 2 R1. So 1 minus 2 minus 1. So 1 minus 2 minus plus add on. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3. Again minus 2. R2 minus 2 R1. So minus 2 into R1 value is 3. So minus 2 into minus 6. So minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. So this value is this is the second value. So we have to take this value is minus 8. So R2 minus 2 R1. Okay. So again try to make it as this is the first calculation. Again try to make it as this one is become 0. So in this third row is compared with first row. So first value is 1, no problem. So third row is compared with first row. This one is try to make it as become 0. So formula is R3 tends to R3 minus 2 R 3 R1. So R3 tends to R3 minus 3 R1. Automatically this term is become 0. So R3 tends to R3 minus 3 R1. So R3 is 3. 3 minus 3 R1. 3 minus 3 into 1 is 0. First one is 0. Again 6 minus 3 into 2. So is 3 into 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. Again 3. Third row is compared with first row. So R3 tends to R3 minus 3 R1. So R3 minus 3 into R1 is minus 1. Minus 2 minus plus. So this value is 6. Again R3 minus 3 R1. So minus 7 minus of minus 3 into 3. So minus 3 minus 7 minus 9 equal to minus 16. So our aim is, so these two terms are 0. Again this term is also 0. So we have to form the upper triangular matrix. Finally we have to make some simplicity for this expression. Suppose comparing third row and second row, is it possible to eliminate some values? Suppose we have to take comparing third row and second row. So this one is try to make it as 0. Suppose R3 tends to R3 minus 2 R1, R3 minus 2 R2, automatically this term is become 0. Already these three terms are 0. The answer is complete. But we have to reduce these two terms. So comparing third row is and second row. formula is R3 tends to R3 minus 2R1. So R3 tends to R3 minus 2R1 to R2, sorry, 2R2. So comparing these two, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 2 into 0 equal to 0. This time is 0. Okay. Again comparing these two results, again for the formula, R3 tends to R3 minus 2 and R2 value is 0 and this value is become 0. And the last value as R3 is this one is become 0, this is also 0. So last one is R3 is this value is 16. Okay, 16 minus 6, so minus 16 minus 2 into minus 8. So minus 16 minus 2 into minus 8, this value is become 0. So all the rows are become 0. So our aim is to make the upper triangular matrix. Again finally we have to eliminating the any one of the row. So all the terms are become 0. Suppose when the determinant all the rows are become 0 means the rank value is, therefore the row of A rank value is 2. This is the final answer. Why? So our aim is row of A is less than or equal to 3. So answer is okay, less than or equal to 3. Suppose this row is not equal to 0 means rank value is 3. So in this problem, one row is completely 0, so the rank value is 2. Hence the problem.